Welcome to the second module, the basics of retail trade management. First of all, we will learn with you about the retail sales and operations, pricing policy, purchasing, supply management. Secondly, we will complete with you few tasks. Also, you will have a practice in the business simulation. And finally, you will get the first assignment in the business simulation. You have got a corporation with subdivisions, which are 3 shops, a restaurant, and a factory with the head offices in different countries. The majority of subdivisions are shops. 2 of them are in a negative situations and 1 is in a positive. Let's speak about how to manage them and how to bring the 2 negatives out of the state of crisis. Each shop has 3 groups of goods, which are well known for you. How does the shop generate money? Each has its buyers, customers, and of course a shop has good suppliers. You will have a choice between suppliers offering you the same product. How to select the right one? Let's analyze the differences between suppliers. In order not to get lost in characteristics of goods, there are 2 main indicators, price and quality. For example, we are going to sell motorcycles with according price and quality. We have a choice between 3 suppliers offering us a motorcycle with a different price and quality. Which to choose? And here you will have to decide. But how? Let's see. For example, we can purchase a motorcycle with a lowest quality one at the price you see here, orientated for low or average level buyers. As a result, the good has the lowest price. However, there might be suppliers which produce same good with a higher quality. As a rule, the better quality, the higher price. But of course, examples happen when a good with a high quality is being sold with a low prices. What is the logic of consumer? We purchase a motorcycle with quality 1, add margin, and sell it at the high price. Or I can purchase a motorcycle with a higher quality 2 and sell it at the same price as quality 1 on the market. In this case, the proposition will win against the first. Moreover, as we have higher quality, we can sell it at the higher price. Same happens with the highest quality. In this case, we have 5. If we sell it at the low price, we win against our competitors, as if you come to the shop and see 2 similar goods at the same price, but one quality is better than another, why should you choose the low quality against the good? During the game, you will have to choose a price policy strategy. Depending on your aim and market research, set up the prices of goods. Let's move on. Let's train. You can see an analogy of our trade hall you will face in our business simulation. You have 5 different goods with according quality, purchase price, how much you pay to the supplier, sales price, meaning the purchase price plus the margin added, simply the price you put your good on the market. What is new here? Average statistics on sales with an according quality and price, meaning you can see what is the average price of chosen good with according quality sold by competitors on the market. Having this data, you have to analyze your proposition, comparing to the market average, and decide which of these 5 would be the best offer on the market. When you have an answer, simply click on the button located next to the proposition. You have selected the proposition number 3. This is the correct answer. In reality, the quality of the first t-shirt is much higher than market average proposition, and the price is lower. Such combination of the price and quality guarantees the best perspective on the market in the field of sales. Great! Let's continue. If you have selected option 1 or 5, your answer is correct but not fully. For example, a motorcycle which we sell benefits from market average offer only by quality, but its price is analogical to the market average. If we speak about sausages, price is less than average, but its quality is the same. Please return to the task and try one more time. If you have chosen milk, this option is incorrect. This good in our shop is identical to the goods sold on the market, which means you do not benefit in any parameters. Please return to the task and try one more time. If you have chosen option 2, a cap, this answer is incorrect. Having comparable quality, the product in our store has a price above the market average. Consequently, the prospect of its sale is unfavorable. Please return to the task and try one more time. Let's analyze the store renting price depending on the location. The more fashionable district, the higher prices and quality there. Meaning, if you have the high quality products, it is more prospect to sell them closer to the center, as prices in the center are always higher and people located at the center are ready to spend more. The closer to the suburb, lower price and quality will have prospect for sales. Example, if you want to buy brand clothes, you will not go to the suburb. Armani jeans, for example, will be difficult to find there. Let's train. You can see variety of goods with according price and quality. Having this data, you need to choose which of them will have the best sales opportunities in the trendy neighborhood. When you have an answer, click on the button located next to the variant. If you have chosen a bra with quality 6 and price 1,200, congratulations! Your answer is correct. This good has the highest quality comparing to others. Accordingly, it has the best sales potential in a brand stores, which are usually located in the trendy neighborhood. The price indicator is not so important here. Great, let's move on. Unfortunately, your answer is incorrect. Pay attention. In the shops located at the fashionable districts, consumers have the highest demands in the first place to the quality of the goods, and only then pay attention to the price. Please return to the task and try one more time. How should you plan the purchase and sales volume? There is no correct answer, but there is a lot of helping indicators you should have to pay attention at. Of course, you should analyze your competitors, monitor the sales force during the game. When speaking about suppliers, you have to know that you need to have inventory more than sales volume, as in case there is a very good condition and you have a lot of customers, not to be run out of the goods. Also, an advice not to spend more than 20% of your cash for goods purchasing, as you need to have cash to pay for renting, salaries, and so on. Let's train. So, we have a store with a motorcycle in its product line. Its quality is 8. The price is 10,000. Our competitor having motorcycles in his product line managed to sell 20 motorcycles at quality 5 with a price 15,000. Your task is to determine the number of sales of your store. Will it be equal, greater, or less than your competitor's sales volume? In order to give the answer, click on the according button. Congratulations! Your answer is correct. Indeed, the volume of your sales are supposed to be more than 20 units. The reason? We offer the product at the lower price than your competitor, but we have a higher quality. Your answer is incorrect. Pay attention to the value of quality and price of the good in the store and competitors. Do we have the advantages comparing to him? Return to the task and try again. So, we have found out that the potential of our sales is higher than our competitor has. The price of our motorcycle is lower and quality higher. It remains to decide how many units we need to purchase. To do this, we must take into account not only the amount of the proposed sale, but also the number of units left in our warehouse. Decide how many units of motorcycle we need to order, knowing the price, quality, and inventory. In order to give your answer, click on the appropriate button. Congratulations! Your answer is correct. Indeed, we plan to sell more than 20 units, and our inventory is only 5 units. The purchase volume should be not less than 15 motorcycles. Sorry, your answer is incorrect. Pay attention that the prospect of sales volume is more than 20 units, and you already have 5 units in your warehouse. Please return to the task and try again. Now you know what is the pricing policy and how does it work. You know what is the quality influence on the price, why the location is so important. So let's move to our first task. Within this task, you will have to optimize the current retail chain, meaning set up or correct the existing price, quality, amend the inventory, and supply the goods. If you miss any of the given, your shop will stop working, as it will stay without goods or prices will stay not set up. Welcome to our business simulation. This is what you will see when accessing here. What is important? From the left-hand side, you will see the current cash of your company and assets. If you scroll to the right, you will see the timer, which shows the cut-down time left till the next recalculation. In order to monitor and manage your company, you have to click on My Company, then My Enterprises, and here you will see the list of all your subdivisions. During this model, we're concentrating only on retail, so leave the other enterprises except your stores for now. In order to manage all of your stores, you have to make it step by step. In your case, you know that 2 of your retail stores are in negative situation and 1 is in positive. Which to start from? My advice would be to start from the positive shop, as you might be able to compare the differences. In my case, yours might be different. It's a motor store. In order to open the data, simply click on it. What we can see here, opening any of your enterprises will show you the information about the subdivision such as location, number of employees, and so on. We will speak about this in different models. Yet the trade hall is interesting for us. So in order to go there, simply click on the tab called Trade Hall. Here you will see the next data. The first column will show you the range of products you have in your store. In my case, it's motorcycles and tires. Then you will see the sales volume. Those numbers shows how many goods we have managed to sell during last recalculation. The following column, purchase volume. This shows the number of goods ordered from our suppliers and going to arrive to our store's warehouses at the next recalculation. In my case, I have no orders of tires. This means if I do not order any now and sell all of the goods I have in my stock, I will simply get run out of the products and will have nothing to sell during next recalculation. That is why it is very important always to monitor the purchase volume and quantity in stock. How many goods in your stock are left shows the following column. In my case, I have no tires, so I just must order something. Then you can see the quality. The quality volume is an average quality of supplied goods. For example, if you ordered one motorcycle with quality 1 and another with quality 5, your average goods quality will become 3. Pay attention to this when managing supply chain, depending on your price and quality strategy. The next important column is the purchasing price. In different words, it is your prime cost to which you add the margin. Finally, you can see the sell price, which you might need or must amend. Helping indicators here, city average. Remember the task we completed in Learning Management System when setting up prices and purchase volume according to the competitor's price and quality. Here is the same. For example, I can see that the city average motorcycle price is same as I have, and the quality is equal. Is it a good proposition? Probably not. So what I do? I decrease the price. Let's make it 240,000 and see if it works. When amending the price, do not forget to click on Set Prices button in order to save the changes. We have dealt with the main information. Let's now move on to additional things which will help you during the game. First of all, when planning the purchase volume, it is very important to know what is the market volume and how many goods your competitors manage to sell weekly. Also, remember the task we have done during the learning management system. In order to get the data, click on the product image. Here you will see the market analysis. You can select the exact good, country, city, region to get the info about. You will see many indicators which we will discuss in different models. But for now, if you scroll down, you will see the competitors' analysis. In my case, I can see that I have no. So let me choose the different city in order to show you an example. For example, I choose Berlin. I scroll down and I can see that I have two competitors. Let's analyze one of them. For example, this one, having the size higher than me, sells below 50 pieces of goods at the exact price and exact quality. So having this data, in order to compete, I should have higher quality and lower price. Let's move to the supply. I am getting run out of tires in my store. So what I do? I purchase it. In order to see the list of suppliers, first of all, you have to select the category of goods you would have to purchase. You will see three. In my case, it's a model. So I select automotive goods. Then I highlight the tires. And finally, I have to click on Add Supplier. After the click, you will see the following window. The list of different sellers of specific good appeared. How to choose? First of all, pay attention to the city average values on the price and quality. According to this data, decide which offer is better by price, then choose the quality. You will see the maximum number of goods available in stock. If you see a good offer but there is not enough goods, do not worry. You can order few portions from different suppliers. The purchase price and quality will be counted as average in total. The supplier price shows the price per good excluding the transportation cost. Then you will see the total purchase price per good, meaning supplier price plus transportation cost, your prime cost per good in general. Quality. You can sort it from lowest till highest and other way. When you make your choice, for example, I made this one, click on Select button, manually enter the number of goods to be delivered, and press on Place an order. You can also choose additional options. As you sign a contract for exact number of goods, by default it is counted as a long-term contract, and this number of goods will be delivered to you after every recalculation. So, which options? You can cancel a contract if supplier raises the price by some percentage, and also you can select one-time purchase, which will mean a single delivery of goods. This is up to you. You can always amend those choices in the Supply tab. When choice is made, click on Place an order and close window. What has changed in the trade hall? We see that the purchase volume has changed. Now we see we are waiting for 50 tires to be delivered, and at the next recalculation, 50 tires will move to the column in stock. In order to manage the supply chain, you can go to the Supply tab. Here you will see all the options which can be done with the already signed contracts. They can be amended, cancelled, and so on. Well, let me remind you about the timing. So, we have understood a little bit more about the functional of our business simulation. That allows you to control the sales and purchase of the store. It is time now to move to the assignment. Optimize the price, quality, inventory, and supply of the stores. Let me remind you that the recalculation of the game situation is carried out every astronomical hour. The ideal time for completion the task before the next recalculation. Maximum before the two next recalculations. But hurry up! Our corporation is in a state of crisis, and we still have a lot of problems to be solved. We wish you success in carrying out this mission and see you in the next model of our business game.